Guys, sorry that my hair is messy, but I will be doing a slime giveaway. It's this. It's actually bigger than you think in the inside, but it's purple slime. It's purple slime with crunchy beads, and it's purple slime. And all you guys have to do really is subscribe, like all of my videos, all of them. I think I only have a couple. Subscribe, like every single one of my videos. Then write down this video, how much you love slime, and I will pick who really, really loves slime, and they get to keep it. So I will give you guys slime. I will give you guys crunchy beads. I will give you guys detergent. I will give you guys a gallon of glue. So a gallon of glue, detergent, slime, crunchy beads, and foam balls. And a slap bracelet. I'm joking. So that's what I will give you guys. And contact slime solution. So, sorry. So, I will give you guys shaving cream, a gallon of glue, detergent, crunchy beads, and this slime. And all you guys have to do is write down under this video how much you love slime and how much that how much you love slime, like every single one of my videos, because I only have 5 or 6 of them. Then subscribe. So especially subscribe, and especially write down how much you love slime. If you can't like all my videos, if you like most of them, then that's okay. Bye!